Welcome to our weekly tutorial. Today we'll explore how you can transform your footage into cinematic experience that feels out of this world, all thanks to the incredible power of AI in the Insta360 app. So let's dive in.
Simply pick AI Warp in the Insta360 Shot Lab. Confirm your selection and decide whether to warp the entire video or a specific subject using the custom brush, Smart Draw. Opt for Smart Draw, allowing you to outline a specific subject and apply crazy effects to that particular area, ensuring your videos stand out with a unique touch. After finalising your subject selection, you're now prepared to pick your desired effects. Explore various effects or create your own with a custom prompt. Let AI take over and anticipate a push notification to witness your creation spring to life.
Now it's your time to unleash your creativity and experiment with AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly updates on exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy shooting.